If you're gonna go viral, do it with chicken wings. I think I'm just gonna smash all these wings myself. Oh, you're about to make some tasty chicken wings that went viral in Thailand. You'll need a kilogram of chicken wings. I opted for flats as they are the superior part of the wing. And as always, the great man Mick from Gippsland Premium Meats sourced these for me. Place the wings into a baking dish so they can all lay flat. Trust me, there's a reason to this madness. The ingredients list is small, but the flavour is huge. The word umami is used a lot in cooking these days, and there's plenty of salty sauces that pack a punch of umami flavour on the market, like this Maggi seasoning. Yes, this is the Thai version. Add some to the wings, mix it in until you cannot see a lot of liquid at the bottom of the dish. These wings can now go in the fridge for an hour. Have you had anything viral put in your mouth today? Well, the day's not over yet. A high indirect heat of 240 degrees Celsius is what you want to set your barbecue up for this recipe. Using a Weber Kettle, it's as easy as 3/4 filling the charcoal chimney up with some briquettes. I'm using Heat Beads original briquettes today. Once they're all lashed over, dump them into a kettle cone and place the grill back in to warm up. And place the lid on, making sure all of the vents are wide open, and give the grill 10 minutes to heat up. Texture is important, and we want crispy wings. Mix together plain flour and baking powder. Then sift half of the flour mixture over the wings and then toss the wings. Now sift over the rest of the flour mix and toss again. You should end up with a light sticky coating that will help our sauce stick a lot better later. Subscribing to this channel is free for the first 100,000 people. The grill has warmed up, so you can get your wings on now. The grill will need a light oil. This will help create a non-stick coating to cook on. Now place the wings around the outer edge of the grill. This is where the high heat is going to be forced. Once the wings are all down, give them a light spray of oil and let them air fry for 45 minutes. With this cook taking 45 minutes, it's clearly a 2-beer cook. Cheers. If you don't like beer, we can't be friends. Did you know the Weber lid vent creates a hot spot? It's true, as the cold air is sucked in through the bowl vents, it then goes through the hot fuel and is forced out through the lid vent. So to ensure an even cook, I spin the lid a third of the way every 15 minutes during the cook. The wings are cooked and reading more than 74 degrees Celsius internally and therefore safe to eat. When your wings are ready to come out of the grill, they'll look good enough to eat now, but just hold your horses. Get them out of the grill and place them in a large bowl. Chicken that is reading 74 degrees Celsius internally is now considered no-death chicken and is safe to eat. Now, you can make these wings better with sauce. Into a small bowl, add some Maggi seasoning, oyster sauce and water. This just helps loosen the oyster sauce and makes it a lot easier to pour out. Also, get yourself some chopped up palm sugar ready. Into a pan over a high heat, add some oil, and once warmed up, add our liquid mixture and allow it to warm up for a minute, and then add the palm sugar. Allow this to boil for a minute or until the palm sugar is all dissolved, and then turn off the heat. Now you can bring it all together. Drizzle the sticky sauce over the wings and then toss them. Plate them up and sprinkle them with some spring onions and serve.